Credit agencies are empowered with some kind of governmental authority. Credit agencies have no governmental authority at all. They are simply corporations who are in the business of gathering and selling your information. The credit agencies are required by law to keep derogatory items on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. The opposite is true. Credit agencies are required by law to automatically remove all derogatory items older than 7 years, or in the case of a bankruptcy, 10 years. It is impossible to remove an item of public record. Bankruptcies, tax liens, etc. come off just like any other item that is incorrect, obsolete, incomplete, or that cannot be verified. Better qualified. Just the facts to better credit.